Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, finally, I have decided to visit UAE for my IELTS masterclass. Many of you were requesting me and you sent me messages and all that. So, actually, afterwards, there was the COVID situation. I couldn't visit UAE, but now I'm going to visit UAE and I've made a plan to come there in 2022 January. Okay. Now, I need your assistance, right? I need your assistance. I want you to guide me, to be my advisor, because it's going to be my first visit to UAE. There are few things where I need your help. First of all, you guys are going to tell me appropriate place for my stay. Listen, I'm going to rent a place to stay. All right. So you are going to tell me for 1 month, because my masterclass is going to go on in UAE for 1 month. So for 1 month, you're going to recommend me a good place where I can live. Like somebody told me there are apartments on rent for 1 month. So I would like to stay in the apartment. So you are going to tell me which apartment is better and little economical as well. Not too much economical, I can afford, but little economical. After that, if you know any IELTS institute, if you know any IELTS academy, or if you belong to any IELTS academy and you can give us your premises to conduct masterclass, that'll be awesome. And I'm looking to start the class in UAE. Right, I want to start the classes in UAE. So for that, actually, in Dubai mainly. So for that, actually, you got to guide me if there is any facility, like there is any college or any university or any vocational institute, and they can give us a classroom which can cater up to 50 students. Right. So I would love to, do that there, right? So I need your help there. Third thing, I may need your help for visa. I need 30 days visa. That's it. And I'll pay for that. Okay. I'll pay for that. Whatever the visa charges are, whatever they charge for the visa. So, I need some assistance for visa as well. You can tell me, and I'm quite reliable, guys. You know me, huh? Exactly. So these are the things where I need help. Obviously, tickets I can arrange from here. And then the rest of the things, logistics, I will check everything. Mainly, I need your help for accommodation. You can arrange and I will pay for that. Okay, don't worry at all. Secondly, I need your help for premises for my masterclass. Now you can recommend me if you know anybody, if you know any person who has IELTS coaching center with up to 50 students, auditorium or room or classroom or something like that, and that is at the main location where people can come easily, right? Although I will visit other cities as well, but mainly I want to do this activity in Dubai. Right, so you can guide me about it. And thirdly, it's all about visa, right? So I'm going to spend a very good time, and if you are there, I will meet you. You can come and meet me. We can have chit chat. We can have some selfies and all that stuff, right? So because this is the platform where I can request you. So I'm making all these requests and I'm telling you, I'll pay for all these things. Okay, exactly. So thank you very much. My personal WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me, and even if you want to join masterclass in Dubai, right, even then you can send me the details that, sir, I'm interested to join the masterclass in Dubai. And again, I tell you, my visit is due in the first week of January, and probably we will start IELTS masterclass right the second day when I arrive there. Okay, and I have made a plan because in UAE, Fridays and Saturdays are holidays. These are 2 off days. So I will do my IELTS masterclass on Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thursday night, Friday we'll have morning session as per your convenience, and even Saturday we can have morning session. So this is how we will go on. So guys, I look forward to your kind cooperation, and now you are going to make it possible for me to be with you in UAE, and this is just the beginning. Later on, I'm also planning to visit India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and then Africa. Okay, I'm going to visit Saudi Arabia. I will visit even Qatar, Doha. These places I'm going to visit. Kuwait as well, right? So let me just leave this country, Pakistan, and then gradually 1 month here in Pakistan, 1 month in another country. So like this, I'll move on. All the best. Thank you very, very much. At present, I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my classes, you can join me here or you can join me in Dubai. Live class with you and I. All the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.